Welcome to CVSRP Research YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to explain about how to find a journal for your research paper, especially in the elsewhere publications. So now I will discuss about the elsewhere journal finder. I will open this one. You see the elsewhere journal finder in 2021. How we will, for suppose if you prepare a manuscript, if you want to send to the any elsewhere journal, so by using your abstract and also your title, we will find out the elsewhere journal finder by using the elsewhere journal finder tool. There is a tool. I will open that. Yeah. So simply first open the Google search engine, type elsewhere journal finder, click on enter button, and you will get the first link here, the find journals elsewhere journal finder. So click on this one, the elsewhere journal finder. So there will be a journal finder homepage is there, the elsewhere journal finder. So if you see here, if you want to find the journals, enter the title, abstract of your paper to easily find the journals that could be best suited for your publishing. Okay, if it is you are a PhD scholar or a MTech scholar or BTech graduate, whatever it may be, whenever you prepare the manuscript or your research paper, so if you want to publish your paper in the elsewhere journal, in reputed journal, okay, first you will choose which journal is suitable for your manuscript. Okay, you see the journal finder uses a smart search technology and field of research specific vocabularies to match your paper to scientific journal. Okay, and here if you want to know the some of the questions, if you want to clarify that, simply click on here on the right side corner. There is a frequently asked questions sections is there. Okay, now here you see you have to enter all these details. The first one is the paper title, a paper abstract, keywords, and what is your field of research, whether your research is engineering or life sciences or like that. Again, still if you want to refine your research, again there is options are there. You know, if you want to know the publication type, whether it is a gold open access or with a subscription. So that means in journal with subscription means it is free publication. If you want to open access, even if you want to the golden open access, so that is you have to pay some amount to the journal. Okay, even journal impact, you can choose the site score as well as impact factor. You know, these measures the number of times an average paper in a journal is cited. They are indicators of how relevant the articles published in a journal are. For suppose the site score journals is there from 0 to 10 plus. So if you need from 0 to the 10 plus, you can put like this. Otherwise, if you need only for suppose I need the site score minimum 5 above the journal, so you can select like this. Okay, even the impact factor also, this is the most important parameter to select the journal. So if you see the impact factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is more than 5, you can check here. Okay, the review and publication time, the time to first decision if you want to take here. So whether it is from 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, up to more than 52 weeks are there. And time to publication, this is only for time to first decision, and this is for time to publication. So how many weeks it requires. So like that, there are some filters are there to refine the scope of your search to get more relevant to your journals. You can use this one also, like journal impact, the site score, impact factor, review and publication time. Okay, now I will open one of the my paper and we will see how it will work. So this is the my paper. So I will enter here the title of the journal. So title of the manuscript. Then it is asking paper abstract. So I will I will copy the paper abstract here. Okay, and I will paste here the keywords. So whatever the keywords you can enter here. So I entered the chimney. This is the first keyword. If there are remaining keywords also, you can enter. And field of search. So if you see, there are life sciences are there as well as physical science and engineering and social science and humanities and health. Total 4 sections are there. So from these, the research whatever you done, so please select from those areas. For suppose life sciences is there, agriculture and biological science, biochemistry, genetics and molecular biology, environmental science, immunology and microbiology, neuroscience, pharmacology, toxicology and pharmaceutics. So coming to the physical science and engineering, the first one is the chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science, earth and planetary science, energy engineering, material science, mathematics, physics and astronomy. Coming to the social science and humanities, it is the arts and humanities, business management and accounting, decision science, econometrics and finance, psychology, social sciences. And coming to the health, it is a medicine, nursing, veterinary, dentistry and health professions are there. So now my research comes under in the physical science and engineering. So I selected engineering. So now if you want to refine your search more, so how we will do? So if I need the open access journals, simply I will select open access journals. So if I need only subscription, I will click on this one. Now I will put both. Okay. And next the journal impact. So if you want the minimum site score is 1 or 2 or 3, it depends upon your requirements. You can choose here. The impact factor also, if you need the good quality journal, you can go for at least 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. It depends upon your research. Okay. And also the publication time. If you need to review the time to take the first decision, if you need your paper is published as early as possible, if you take minimum 1 or 2 weeks like that, you have to select from here. Okay, so when up to 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks like that. So based on that only, what are the refined journals, it will show you even for time for publication also. Okay, so this one also up to 3 weeks, 5 weeks. So like that, it is showing us more than 52 weeks. Okay, so now I will simply once if you enter all the data, whatever it may be, it is a paper title, paper abstract, keywords, field of research. If you want to refine the scope of your search to get more relevant journals, we have based on the publication type, journal impact, review and the publication time. So once if you give all those details, then click on the find journals option. So once if you click on, it will buffer and it will show you which journal is suitable for your paper. Though it's showing, so it is showing total 48 journals matching your paper. The first one is the Journal of Building Engineering. So you see the text match score, it is up to 2. The matching keyword is here, whatever we give. The site score is 4.9. Impact factor is 2.378. Here you will observe here the acceptance rate also, it is a 20%. And time to first decision after review of your paper, it will take minimum 6 weeks, and time to publication, it will take 5 weeks. And like that, the second journal also is showing the energy on the building. Okay, the site score is 9.9. The impact factor is 4.867. The acceptance rate is 21%. But it will take only 4 weeks the time to first decision whether it will accept or reject based on the reviewer comments. And also time to publication, it takes 4 weeks. Okay, same like that, you will find out all the 48 journals. So like this, you have to select the journal. For suppose if I choose this one, so simply I will click on this one. So like this, and you see you will find out the subject area and also recent articles and journal scope. What is the scope of this journal? It is showing all the things, and also the whatever the, if you want to other duties also it is shown. If you want to read read more on this journal, if you simply click on this one, it will redirect it to the journal homepage. It is like this. So even you can find out the journal homepage whatever you required to publish the paper, and also guide for authors, whether the abstracting and indexing, whether it is Scopus or Web of Science, like that. Even you can track your paper, and also you can submit your paper. You can view the articles whatever published in this journal. Okay, so this is the Elsewhere Journal Finder, and from the CVSRP Research YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, simply click on like button, and also please subscribe my channel and also share this video. Thank you so much.